Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to delete keep watching on Paramount Plus. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to delete a specific title from your keep watching list on Paramount Plus, you need to first of all open your Paramount Plus account on your web browser. So once you have done this, you need to now simply log into the Paramount Plus and go to the keep watching list. After you have done this, click the edit button located on the right hand side of the carousel. After this is done as well, delete shows from keep watching list by clicking the circle or similar icon next to the title and select remove. Once this is done as well, this method will allow you to selectively remove specific items from your keep watching list without deleting the entire list. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.